Hello children, welcome back. Today we are going to study subject English from your supplementary book which is called as It So Happened. Chapter number 2, Children at Work. It is written by Geeta Wolf, Anushka Ravishankar and Arijit Sen. Okay. So it is about those children in our country, they work. Okay. So some children are there. They work to earn. They work in different manner at different place. Some children are there. They work with their family to earn. Okay. And there are also some children who do not stay in their home, who do not work with their family, who left their house due to unhappiness and different situation. They have to leave their house and go at any other place and work over there and earn for themselves. So, according to that only, here is a one boy named Valu. Okay, he is also a boy. He also, due to some reason, he left his home and he went to Chennai. Okay, and then he started his life or his work. So let us see how do. And in this situation, those children who have to work and earn for themselves or their families, they are unable to go to school. So let us see what is it. So one day, when Velu, he started from his home towards the station, and at the station he caught the Kanyakumari Express train, which went towards Chennai. When he arrived at the station on Chennai, on the platform he sat there, okay, on Chennai platform. So there he saw so many people moving here and there at a time, and their voice also was terrible for him. It was a new thing for him. He left his home and came on the platform for the very first time. He was very much hungry and very much tired due to the journey. He carried with him one shirt, one comb and one towel. This was his belonging. Okay, he carried it in his bundle. Then due to the hungerness and tiredness, he wanted to sleep and he slept on the platform only near a door. Then after some time he heard some rough voice of someone speaking, and that was a girl, and her name is Jaya. She was a girl carrying a sack in her hand, and in that she used to pick up old plastic or the garbage plastic cups and used to keep it in the bag or the sack. So she talked with Velu, okay, and she came to him that he is a new boy, new person over here and he is hungry. So she wanted to get some food for Velu. So she started to search for food. Velu followed her. Then they came out of the station on the platform. Then over there on the road, due to the dust and that climatic condition, Velu's head started spinning, means chakkarana, due to the dust and the climate there. So Jaya helped him to cross the road, and both of them went to the other side of the road onto a bridge. And from the bridge, Velu could able to see the road which was going in a city. There were tall buildings over there. Then both of them started walking. As Velu was bare feet, due to the hot temperature, they were walking on the tar road, cold tar road. So his feet was getting burnt, Velu's feet. Okay. And then they walked for some time. They came near in front of a building. In that building there was a marriage function going on. So behind the function room there was some garbage dump where Jaya went to collect some plastic or the useless things. Thereover she found one vada and one crushed banana. Okay, someone have kept over there. So she collected both the things and gave it to Velu to eat. Velu was not ready, but unwillingly he has to eat those things. Okay, because he was very much hungry. So he ate unwillingly those things and he felt good after eating that. Then both of them started from there and they went towards Jaya's home where she was living. So they came near a bridge which was across the dirty drain. Okay, dirty drain means नाला जिसे कहते हैं या काला पानी वाला जो तालाब जो होता है, जो नाला होता है, ठीक है. So they came near a dirty drain. Near that only Venu could able to see cluster of huts, झुपड़ी, which was made of wood, plastic, sheets and so on. So they were very weak homes, okay, or huts we call what them is. Then Jaya took him to his house and Jaya offered him a pair of old shoes, then one stick and third thing a sack. Val was surprised to see why she is giving all these things to me. Then she told that we are doing this work. What work? They have to carry the useless things like plastics, papers and old glass. Okay, they have to carry that and they carry all those useless things in their bag, the sack, and they sell it to a junk keeper man. His name is Jaggu. Okay, so Velu came to know that Jaya is a family who is doing the work of rag pickers. Okay, means कचरा कूड़ा उठाने वाले, ठीक है. So after that he has to do that work, कचरा कूड़ा उठाना, ठीक है, the old plastics and papers. He has to do that work because he was not having any other work at that time. So he started that work until he gets the another different kind of job or very good work. Okay, and the lesson of this story gets over here. So in this story it is shown the situation of those children who are at the young age, they have to work to earn. They are unable to go to school also. Okay, that's all was there in the chapter. I hope you understood it. Thank you.